what are your thoughts? Levi has a question. What are your thoughts on the DDJ 1000 for Serato? I have the DDJ SR2, but kind of eyeing the 1000. I think the 1000 is a great controller. You're talking about the 1000 SRT, the one for Serato. Yeah, I really like the controller. The jog wheels feel really dope. Now, if you have an SR2 right now, I'm not that familiar with the SR2. So the thing for you is what you need to look at. The advice I give anyone who wants to upgrade or change their DJ gear, what is currently missing on the gear that you have, and does that other piece of gear fulfill that need? That's the most important thing, because we all get a little bit enticed when we see, like, you see the ads with new DJ gear, you see the bells and whistles, and everything always looks super dope. Then you start to take a closer look and you're like, okay, do I really need that? For example, the 8-track mixer, it looks super dope. It looks super dope. But then they show the special features and I'm looking at it and I'm like, yeah, that looks really dope. That's something I'll probably never use. So it doesn't really make sense for me to get it, other than, hey, it's sexy, it's new, and it looks a little bit different. So that's the important part. So will the 1000 be an improvement for you compared to your SR2? I think the answer is yes, but that's me. So KMT has a point right here. He says he likes the SRT, the 1000 SRT, but the thing that's missing is a section to do Serato flip. So that's something that's going to be important for some DJs. I don't know a lot of DJs who really got into using Serato flip, but if you are into it, there are indeed a couple of controllers that had that little flip section on it. So that might be an important factor for you if you decide to get certain DJ gear. And there's a lot of things. So some people want to make sure they have a separate effect section on their controller instead of having to use like some of the performance pads for it. Everyone will have their own wants and needs when it comes to that. So you have to decide what's important for you. But I really like that 1000 though.